Is up, everybody? Okay, today we are going to be covering this face control for Genesis 9 by 3D Universe. Now, this is something that was built into 3.8.1 or 8, and this is something that's been lacking a lot inside of DAZ. So I'm so happy to see this. Let's see how good it is. Okay, so once you've got installed, you can go to poses, control reset, and utilities, and you can say add with camera, add without, and remove it. So I'm going to add it with the camera. I'm going to select my character and just double click it, and boom, it comes up like this. Okay, that is, it's looking a bit weird, but okay. That is looking very weird. What is up with that? Let's see, remove. It's removing it. There we go. And let's add it. Let's add it without. Yeah, okay. So it's warped already. I don't know. Wow. That's good. Okay, so I loaded up the default Gen 9 character, and the face seems to be all fine, which leads me to believe that this isn't going to work properly with already morphed characters. Let's try one more. Okay, so yeah, it seems like depending on your character, the more warped it's gonna be. There we go, that's not perfect either. So there are some things that are wrong here. I really hope he fixes this up, but it seems like everything still works. It's just the controls are all warped, which is odd. Okay, so I'm hoping there's a fix for this that comes soon. Okay, let's get into the facial controls. So once you've loaded up, select your character and just add the controls to it. I'm going to close this now so we can focus more on the character. And basically, mate, there we go. You can start moving stuff around, which is pretty bloody cool. That's nice. What's this? Ooh, this is amazing. So this is something that I've been waiting for Genesis 9 for a long time. And the reason for that is because it's so damn easy to just get an expression you're looking for. And this is nice too. You can right click things and you can right click other ones and you can move them all at once, which I was hoping for that. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no, you can't. You can't. You can select that one. So you can't select multiple points at once. You have to mess with one at a time, which kind of sucks. That's not great. I don't know why they do this. You can't shift select others and move multiple things. Like if I take that one and that one, let's say I take that one and that one. Oh no. Yeah, you see? You can't. You can only move one at a time, which kind of is so damn irritating. It truly is. I don't. Come on, Daz. Anyway, what's nice about this pack is you can just go in and you can start creating expressions very quickly and on the fly. I think they've done a good job on the simplicity of all of this, which is nice. You've got control, you've got limits, which is pretty cool. They've done a really cool job. I like this. It's simple and it doesn't, you can't get to every little thing. Well, actually, you can. You can. I think. Let's see what you've got here. Huh. This. Yeah. Okay. So you've got control now, which is great. What's this now? Huh. It moves everything nicely. This is pretty cool. I like this a lot. So the controls are pretty basic. There's only so much you can do, but it's not done too badly. It's pretty cool. You've got control over the mouth. Let's see here if we can get like good control over this. I know. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. I mean, it doesn't push things back or forward, so you're not getting any depth in there, which is all right. I suppose there's other things that do that. You've got control, but you don't have perfect control, if that makes sense. You don't have all the control, but you've got control, which is cool. I do hope they do an update on this. Like over here, it would be nice to have controls for there, which you don't. It's lacking many controls to make it perfect. You see, there's no control over like the bridge or anything. It needs a hell of a lot more. Put it that way. But for like quick, simple shapes to quickly act upon, it's pretty damn cool. I do like it. But it's not there yet. It's not perfect. It's not perfect, but this is really needed. And so they've given us something. But Ari, it's not perfect, is it? It's not perfect. You can get basic shapes, and that's alright. But I'm not getting full control over what I want. And that's the difference. So I think it's a really cool start. I think it's something that we desperately need in Genesis 9. Having control over the face in this form, like Metahumans does it, is an absolute win. But I think there should be more. There needs to be more. Give me more. It doesn't give me everything I need. It doesn't give me everything I need. It's very basic at the moment. And that's okay. That's totally okay. But we need something a little bit more accurate. It would really help us out. So I mean, that's pretty much what you can do. You can do all the basics of all the basics of what you would like to do, but when it comes down to the accuracy of things, it's not there. It's not there yet. Um, it needs a lot of work. But what it does do, it does well. It does pretty cool. There's no depth, so I can't get depth going in and out, only side to side. Um, yeah, yeah, there's no depth to it. You can't, there's no depth to it. So you can't bring things in or out. I mean, what I used, the one for 8 a lot, which had a ton of controls, is you can also use it to define shapes and things, which is awesome. But this one's a little limited. It's a little limited. I'm not going to lie. But, I mean, for the price, I think I paid $10 or something for it. And for what it does give you a great start to any kind of morph that you're looking for. And I think this is really important. So I do kind of recommend this one. I'm hoping they work on it a lot, and there's a couple of updates to it. For what you get right now, it's good for basic expressions and, you know, getting your base down. But that's it. Nothing accurate. Definitely not. But it is pretty cool. I think they've done a pretty good job with what there is at the moment, but it does have a way to go. So I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I think it's actually pretty cool. It's just give us more. Give us more. Give us more, please. Please, can I have another? But give us more. Give us more. And then this will be an absolute easy recommendation, because DAZ is lacking something like this for Genesis 9, and I was looking so forward to getting one of these. When I saw this, I was already sold, and I think it does give us a really fantastic base to starting things, but the lack of having any kind of control does hurt this one. Having control over this here forehead, there's nothing for the forehead here, there's nothing for defining cheeks properly. Chin, there's nothing for the chin, just the mouth. You know, little particulars around the eyes important. Snarling, these kind of expressions you can't really get with this pack. There's nothing here. So more, give us more. It's a great start on this, and this is something that's really needed. Bot love, bot Ari. Give us more. It's a great start. Anyway, that's a short one on this one. I hope it helps, and I'll speak to you later. Thanks, guys. Bye.